First batch of Zeds heading your way. Get ready, tout le monde.
Watch the floor! Didn't like that, did you? Ah! Sorry! I should get paid a bonus for this. Come on. Just load, you bastard, load! And the Bostonator takes round one! Whoa! Sort off! And that's just the first course. Cha-ching. Ooh, that's nice.
Come see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely done. Buy more ammo. You're running low. More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
Didn't like that, did you? And that's just the first course. Don't mind if I do. Didn't like that, did you? You know me now, don't you? Come on, get in! Sort off! Here they come, party time! Feels nice, eh? Feeling a bit under the weather? Can't hear anything! Not dead yet. I'll sort that. Come on. Hope someone's taking notes. And that's just the first course. Earplug time, siren! You know me now, don't you?
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply.
Ooh, that's nice.
Bonjour. Come and get your tools of trade. Keep the area secure.
Why is this old crap still lying about? Kaboom! Now sod off! And the Bostinator takes!
A decent beginning. Let's call that your warm-up.
Cobwebs loose. Ah. Now sod off! Damn it, my ears! Not dead yet. I'll sort that. Kaboom! Well, hello. Didn't like that, did you? Watch it, siren! Ah! Come on, get in! I should get paid a bonus for this.
Up. When you're done, I can reopen the treasure vault. Impressed. Your work was flawless.
Bossy got your attention, eh? Probably got a cloak Zed here. Wow, talk about not cutting edge. Scrake! And the Bostinator takes round one!
Excellent. The area remains totally secure. Glad you made it back. Don't bleed on anything. More Zeds on the way. Start to wrap things up, as they say.
Didn't like that, did you?
Port's closed. Go make a difference.
That! Sod off! Ha! Bossy got your attention, eh? Just pick it. We've got it close. Ah! And that's just the first call. Bossy's on a rampage! Didn't like that, did you? And the Bostinator takes round one! Whoa! Boom! Can't hear anything! Earplug time! Siren! The ref's gonna call this one. Please, sir, can I do another? that's just the first. Ha ha!
Excellent. That's nearly all of them.
Pussy got your attention, eh? We've got a flash call! Kaboom! And that's just the first course. Sort of! The bastard's almost history! Careful, straight! Not dead yet. I'll sort that. That'll shake some cobwebs loose. Didn't like that, did you?
You have a big battle coming up. This equipment is an investment. Taking down a Scrake comes naturally to you, no?
Why is this old crap still...
Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
You have been killing my test subjects. That is annoying. You will die now.
Looks like we've got a sneaky one.
Are you the best they could send?
This one'll be worth a few quid. I'm shot! Not dead yet. I'll sort that. God, that one's shooting at me! I've been shot! I hate playing hide and seek.
The
I'm
bullets
shot!
hurt you?
I'm hit! Sort of!
Enough of this phase. Now you can face new attacks.
Don't mind if I do.
One of you
Hello
is going
there,
to
you
heal.
big bastard.
Must bring I grow tired of this game. Time to try the next.
This one'll be worth a few
Embrace
quid.
your freely, fools. That was the easy part.
And that's just
See
the
what I
first
have for you next, piggies. You're mine. This strong feast upon the weak. You're mine. No! You will fail! I will use everything I have! You